beautiful girl, mashallah, and I'm very, very, very happy that I've been given such a partner from God, and she's standing through thick and thin with me.
Last
Bade-
question.
Well, दिल और अब बिल.
फिरोज भाई यूथ के लिए आपका क्या मैसेज है?
आप ये बताएं फिरोज, आप ये बताएं कि आपने पार्लियामेंट में भी अपनी नई नवेली दुल्हन को हक किया, यहाँ पे भी आपने अपने प्यार का इजहार किया। क्या जिंदगी में प्यार दूसरी दफा भी हो सकता है?
अरे प्यार ही है जिंदगी में. जिंदगी में सिर्फ प्यार है. I tell you this.
ओके, थैंक यू,
If you want to live your life best, fall in love.
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
I'm so proud of my husband.
How are you? Thank you very much. Can I hug in the parliament?
And
Sorry.
thanks to everyone who supported my husband. And thank you, my husband.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Actually, I'm a big fan of my husband. Not even as a wife, I'm his fan.
And that's the first time she's told me. So I'm glad I'm here.
So actually, he only knows act. He lived in a rule and he breathed our rule. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Exactly.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of my husband.
How are you? Thank you very much. Can I hug in the parliament?